here's the last example for the thresholding detection. And let's again display this surface in 3D. If you look at it, you have almost aggregated particle, and we can still use the threshold, but they will be probably considered as a big particle. So I will show you how to split them all fairly easily. So let's fire up the particle analysis. Here we can change that value slightly, like that, for instance. Click on OK, and you see, if you select one of them here, it's considered to be one particle, but you see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8, basically. So the idea is how to split these to get the right number of particles. And you will be able to do so in this section. You have an option here called merge or split particle. You select it. Now you could, for instance, let's find one. You could split one particle like that, and you see it has been split. But there's lots of them, and if you do so, it's going to be tedious. So here's how you can split them all. If you go back here, the idea of the splitting process is when you have this kind of particle with this shape, the splitting will occur right here. If you look at this one, the splitting will occur here and there. Now, we have small particle, bigger particle. We want to avoid splitting all of them. So if you want, you can limit the scope of action here. For instance, you can limit it based on area. If you look at, I don't know, maybe 500 nanometers, you see all of the particles that are a surface area above 500 nanometers. Maybe let's change it to 600, for instance. Okay. Now, all of the particles that are not grayed out like that will be split. Then you click on Apply. If you go back here, you might end up with too much splitting. To avoid that phenomenon, you might want to limit here by using the split threshold. The idea is, for instance, when you put 1 nanometers, you will limit that oversplitting. You click on Apply. And now if you remove the scope of action, you see that you have a much better result. Now, you can still end up with particles that shouldn't be split. You can merge them manually. Here, you click this one, Apply. Then maybe this one, Apply, and so on. When you are happy with the result, you click on OK. And we go from close to 400 particles to above 1,000. This is how you can detect all of these particles and then split them all fairly quickly.